Yes, my name's Lori Bryant. I'm a coordinator over packaging, and I've been here 30 years.
Wow, 30 years?
30 years. My time here, I've done multiple things, different jobs. Wash, inspect, pack, fleece. I even tried sewing. Yeah, I've tried many departments.
Have you had a favorite of all those?
Packaging.
Packaging.
Mhm.
What is it about packaging that you really like?
My favorite about packaging is fast-paced.
Fast-paced.
Mm-hmm.
How many orders do you package a day on average?
I package 3,000 plus
A day?
a day.
Wow.
Yesterday I did 5,000. So I push myself every day. What motivates me is knowing that I'm helping someone else's life improve.
And is that by the products that we make?
Yes, it's by the products that we make.
Being here for 30 years, has working here changed your life? Maybe your outlook on?
Oh yes, I met my husband here and we extended our family. 5 kids, his, hers, and ours. You know, it helped personally and work related. Mm-hmm.
Being here for 30 years, what can you tell me about working at Thuasne?
Oh. Well, I enjoy my job. I enjoy doing what I do. It's a fast-paced job, and just to know that I'm helping someone every day of doing what I do. Here at Thuasne, we make wings for life.